Hello, I'm Cecilia Vaca, Senior Advisor to Abu Dhabi's Early Childhood Authority, and we have the privilege to partner Capita around COP28. And the main reason we wanted to do this is because we really wanted to bring early childhood development and the early years discussion into the heart of climate discussions and conversations. And it's been amazing days of really trying to understand why is it so important to think about a healthy early childhood development, and how by linking these two topics we can really come up with very practical solutions on how to see the present and the future and the well-being of young children and their families. I think that having a view not only on some of the healthy solutions that we need to think about for children, but also thinking about all the behavioral change that needs to happen in order to have more sustainable lifestyles, but also probably from a city planning and design, understanding which are some of the very practical things that cities can start doing and thinking about has been one of the things that I feel more excited and also optimistic about the future of what can happen in this world, and some of the commitments of very different stakeholders. I want to say that for me this COP has been very different from many other COPs. First of all, because of the emphasis on health. And I do want to highlight this because, of course, when you think about early childhood development, health is probably the most important basis of a good development for children. So the fact that health has been one of the main topics in this COP has been very important. But I also want to highlight that for me, this is the first time that the COP has really been able to engage many different stakeholders. And for me, in order to reach impact at scale, this is exactly what you need to do. You need to be speaking to government, to academia, to NGOs, to the private sector, to the corporate sector, and really try to come together and think together on which is the kind of future that we can imagine for our young children, but really think about practical things to do in the next couple of years so we can really have an impact on what we're living now.